As you have probably guessed by the lighting, it is late now. This is the dough after 3 hours of proofing and with 5 coil folds spaced half an hour. So after 5th coil fold, I let it for half an hour and now it's ready to pre-shape. Look at it, it's so beautiful and jiggly. So my surface here is damp. I just spread some water on it with my palms. I gently pry the edge of the dough and then just flip. Don't shake it, let it just fall on its own. Properly fermented dough should be able to do that. Okay, there we go. Now, this was the dough for 2 loaves, so I will divide it now using Campbell's dough knife, which is non-stick. I still like to just dust it with a little bit of flour and divide this in 2 equal parts. I don't weigh it. I mean, if one piece is bigger than the other, that's okay. That's just what happens when you're not a professional baker. Now with lightly floured hands, I stretch the dough before folding it like this. And you see, it doesn't stick to my hands, it doesn't stick to the table, and it's all because it's properly fermented. See? Nice little future bread. Same with the second one. There we go. Downwards, left, right, bottom, and flip. You can obviously see that this one's larger than this one. Doesn't matter, don't care. I will then cover them up with a kitchen towel that I have for this purpose, and no, I don't flour the surface, just like this. And 20 minutes should be enough. See you then.